Hello guys, welcome to the part 2 of this video, the hidden power of your Windows key that you don't know exists. In the part 1 of this video, I showed us the Windows key combos that we can use at work to boost our productivity. In the part 2 of this video, we will complete the Windows key shortcuts and their function. So without much ado, let's go to our board. So the first one on our list here is Windows key plus control key plus D. So the function is it creates a new virtual desktop for us. And why do we need to create a new virtual desktop? Someone may ask. So to create a new virtual desktop is to keep your work or project organized. For instance, if you have 3 projects at hand, you may dedicate each desktop to a project. Your main desktop is there, then you create 2 more virtual desktops. One maybe for one project, the other one for another project, the other one for another project. It helps you remain focused without any distraction. So the second one is Windows key plus control key plus left arrow key or right arrow key. So this shortcut helps us to switch between the virtual desktop we have created. It switches between your main desktop and your virtual desktops, right? So after creating your virtual desktop, so to switch between them, you need to hit this shortcut with the switch between the virtual desktops. Now, if you want to close the current desktop, the virtual desktop that you have created, you use this shortcut Windows key plus control key plus F4. It will close the current virtual desktop that you are on. Before you can close it, you must be on that virtual desktop before it can be able to close that current virtual desktop. Now the fourth one on our list is Windows key plus O. This shortcut opens the on-screen keyboard for us. The fifth one is Windows key plus P. This opens the project menu for connecting to external display. A typical example of this is when you want to present, right? You want to connect to projector and project. Then this shortcut will help you to open the project menu for connecting to external displays. So the sixth one is Windows key plus number keys from 1 to 9. Then 0 being 10, right? So what does this shortcut do? It opens the corresponding app pinned to the taskbar. So we all know what is a taskbar. Then a taskbar is that area on your desktop background at the bottom where you have many pinned applications that you frequently use. So if you want to quickly open any application, you use this shortcut Windows key plus number key. That is, for instance, now we have, this is our taskbar, and let's say Chrome is at number 1, the first application on the taskbar. Microsoft Outlook is number 2. So if you want to open Chrome, you use Windows key plus 1. It will open this Chrome for you. The seventh one is Windows key plus print screen. What does it do? It takes a screenshot of our current screen and saves it to the picture folder, right? The eighth one is Windows key plus Alt plus D. What does it do? It opens the date and time flyout from the taskbar. I would love you to try this at home. The ninth one is Windows key plus Alt plus number keys on your keyboard. So it opens the jump list for the corresponding app pinned to the taskbar. I would also like you to try this at home. So the final one on our list is Windows key plus tab. What does this one do? It opens task view. So for instance, if you are working on multiple tasks, right, and you have many let's say windows or applications open at the same time. So for you to have a glance of all the open application or task that you are currently working on, you use this shortcut Windows key plus tab. It will display all your current tasks, right? So that's the function of this last one. Alright guys, we have come to the end of this video. Please, if you found this video helpful, do well to like, share and comment. And please don't forget to practice at home, because practice makes perfect. Drop the shortcut you like the most in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.